Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone in PUBG Mobile. To block someone in PUBG Mobile, open the PUBG Mobile app on your device and from the home page, tap on the friends icon which is located on the top left corner of the screen underneath your profile picture. This will open up the friends tab where you need to go ahead and select a friend you would want to block from the list. Once you do that, an expanded menu will pop open again. Now click on the little message kind of an icon at the bottom where it shows 3 dots. Now, after you see this interface where you can chat with the friend, go ahead and tap on the 3 hamburger lines at the top right, and there you will see another little pop-up on the right corner. Click on the block button at the top right. Now click on block once again to block the contact. Click on OK in the pop-up to confirm, and you will then be able to block the contact on PUBG Mobile. Once you block the contact, they will not be able to send you friend requests, message you, or interact with you in the game. So that is how you easily block someone on PUBG Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video for more useful tips from us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.